I consider my birth when I came to this country.
אנו מכריזים בזאת על הקמת מדינה יהודית בארץ ישראל.
You decided to accept German reparation.
The people who are living in Auschwitz, I don't expect them to understand.
People have lost family.
This is immoral. History is not moral. There's never a Palestinian people, and this is our country. But if I have to choose the entire country or peace, I think peace is more important.
אני רוצה להודות לכם על הברכה המפוקפקת של רדיו טלפון, אבל כנראה אין מנוס.
You against the resignation. Sie could not exist without politics.
I can exist without politics.
So you can. It's born in me.
She followed me to live in the desert. But many women should do that.
You think Israel is carrying out that mission to be an Am Segula?
Not yet. It's a beginning only.